For many years, we wanted to do solar here at Four Seasons as part of our sustainability efforts. We had this big, black, empty roof that we knew was a perfect spot for solar, and we were a great candidate as a refrigerated facility. But we also knew that we needed to first focus on reducing power usage, and so we spent many years doing that before we would be ready to produce power. We have lots of good projects under our belts, and we've learned a lot over the years about reducing power. With the falling solar panel prices, it was time to do it. So knowing that our big, black, empty roof is now producing sustainable energy is such a satisfying feeling for all of us at Four Seasons.